What is up, guys? JaretCampisi. Welcome back to the channel. Today is another episode of the Custom Xdiavel series. If you don't know, we're customizing a 2019 Ducati Xdiavel S. We're going to deck it out with the help of our patrons, and then we're actually going to give it away to somebody who supported the series. If you want to be entered to win this bike or the second grand prize, which is a motorcycle of your choice, you get up to 15,000 USD dollars to choose that. Check out the Patreon page. It's always the first link in the description below. Today we're going to be heading back over to the Ducati dealer here in Santa Barbara, and we're going to be officially turning this bike to the dark side, and we're going to be doing the belly panels in carbon today, along with adding some front fork protection as well. So I'm super excited. I've been waiting for a long time to get this carbon on this bike. So yeah, sit back, relax, and enjoy the episode. Alright, so while we were here, I figured we'd let Teens do the unboxing. She's actually heading to the beach today, but she's got to first follow me to drop these parts off, since there's no way to put these in a book bag, unfortunately, so we're dragging her along for the ride. Illenberger Carbon, these are the company that does all the Ducati performance carbon parts, so it's the best of the best carbon. And again, we got all of this stuff through Manny at Moto Million. What are you doing? So if you want to get any of these pieces or anything we put on this bike, check out the website. It's always the first, or like one of the links in the description below, and you can use code Campisi to save yourself.
I wonder what color this is.
On anything you order.
What if I turn it out?
They look like Batman's pieces, like you're building a Batman suit. So this is the left side of the belly panel, which is super cool.
That's so awesome.
Yeah, it looks
very nice.
Really cool. And again, guys, we thought about trying to put this on ourselves. The problem is, sometimes you do need to do some tweaking with carbon, whether you're drilling or yeah, we don't have any of those tools. We don't even have a lift to lift this up and get underneath the bike.
Scratch
yeah.
This amazing looking carbon.
Yeah. So look at that.
The shark gills on that.
This is my favorite side. This is the exhaust side.
Definitely
look at how good
side.
that looks. What are you doing?
You're missing a piece.
What are you talking about?
Just kidding.
God, you're a dick. You're such a dick. And then front fork protection from Duca Bike. We went with the black ones.
Duca Bike.
And then we got black axle nuts on the rear to match this as well. So there we go. Let's start up the bike. Oh, actually, guys, check it out. Here's our drag style handlebars. Look at those bad boys. How sick is that? So that's a little preview of what's to come in the next episode, which is going to be swapping that bad boy on. We also have Brembo master cylinders, new grips, levers, reservoirs. Yeah, it's gonna be freaking badass. So let's grab this boy.
I'm excited to just change. This will change the look of the bike.
Big time. It's gonna look a lot better.
Can't wait to see what you look like on
it. It's gonna be sick. We'll get some riding footage too of me on it. Epicness. And we got a 70-degree day out. I'm excited. Oh Teens is going to the beach, and then we'll have her check it out once we get back, so stay tuned. Woohoo! God, that exhaust. Oh my Lord. This is the weather I've been waiting for, guys. This is what Santa Barbara is known for. 70 degrees, sunny, not a cloud in the sky, and zero humidity and bugs. It's literally perfect. I finally have my my air riding Revit jacket on, and I'm just in heaven, man. Oh man, this bike is so epic, dude. Oh, I love this thing. So yeah, we're heading over to Santa Barbara Ducati and meet up with Trevor. We're gonna throw those carbon pieces on the belly panels, put the front fork protection on, then we're gonna drive over to the beach, take some photos, meet up with Christina, see what she thinks of everything, and just have a good day, man. Damn, this thing's epic. I'm just gonna filter through these traffic, and I'll meet you guys down at the Ducati dealer. God, these mirrors are so big. They need to go. That never gets old, man. And just like that, we have arrived at our little slice of Ducati heaven. Let's get inside and get started, boys. All right, so on the agenda today, we're gonna do the belly panels. As I mentioned, I think there's 3 bolts across the bottom, maybe 2 up top, something like that, maybe 1 over here somewhere. Trevor is without his, oh, he got his glasses on, never mind. He was walking around without his glasses. I was like, do you have your contacts in? He's like, no, I just can't see anything. This is my mechanic, ladies and gentlemen. No, he's amazing. I picked up the tank today. We got a black tank that we're gonna be doing the brushed steel look on. I'm still trying to decide what I want to do with it. Obviously, it's going to be brushed steel. We're going to do the old school Ducati lettering stenciled on there. Trevor has the stencil for it. And then I was wondering about maybe possibly doing some black on the side, possibly doing an Italian flag stripe on here. But I also want to write on this Xdiavel R and then sign my name, put like 1 of 1, JaretCampisi or Campisi edition, something like that. I haven't figured out exactly what I want to do yet, and I think what I want to do is wait until we get all the carbon on, and then we can kind of sit back and we get the drag handlebars on, and then we can look at the tank and decide what we want to do with it. So if you guys have ideas, drop them in the comment section below. Let us know what you think, and we'll be probably doing that next month. We'll do the tank. We'll have a month to get that done. So yeah, I'm excited. We're sending this bad boy to the dark side today, Trevor. Teens is out here waiting for Sunny. Carlin drove off in the truck and goes, "I'll be right back."
And now it's been like...
That was half an hour ago.
Yeah. I'll be right back, aka 2 hours later.
2 hours later.
I think we're just gonna head to the beach.
Okay, I'll just see you after.
Next time, Sunny.
Yeah, thanks babe. I miss you. YouTube misses you. I was telling Carlin I took the Mercedes AMG out because he has a... What do you have? What Mercedes do you have?
I have an E55.
An E55 that you supercharged, right?
Yeah.
Supercharged, and it makes 750 horsepower?
Well, I've got a kit on it.
Oh, you got a whole entire kit?
Yeah.
Got you. So yeah.
Larger supercharger.
Got you.
And intake and exhaust system.
I think you need to take us for a ride in that someday, Trev. That would be epic.
I would love to. Take
Awesome.
You. Oh, honey.
So there's that panel off, and then let me grab him the carbon piece. All right, so we just had to transfer over one little push pin somewhere. I don't even know where he put it. Up there. Yeah, it's up in there from the stock piece, and then we fitted it on here, and he's just kind of starting to add some bolts. Again, I think there's 3 across the bottom and 2 or 3 up here. And yeah, again, this is something we could have probably done ourselves, but sometimes carbon has to be played with a little bit. Like we had issues with some of the carbon in the past where we'd have to drill the holes bigger, or literally drill holes that they forgot to put on there. And the last thing we want to do is get the bike half apart and then not be able to put it on. So that's why we have Trevor always do it, because Trevor's the best. He knows what's going on. He's done this a million times. Sometimes, yeah. Another thing, guys, a lot of people were mentioning how the gloss carbon didn't look good next to the matte carbon, and Trevor said he can totally change that. We can sand this down and make this matte, and that's also one of the reasons why it kind of, see how it looks like it changes colors? That's one of the reasons why I don't like gloss carbon, because in some light this kind of looks purplish, and this looks black, which is how carbon should look, in my opinion, unless you color it, obviously. But so what we'll do, I think maybe in the next episode, we'll sand this down. Unless we have time today, then maybe we'll do it today. But we'll make this matte carbon, and then it'll match this as well, which is satin, but it's still the same thing. So there you go, guys. We're over here working hard to make you happy. So we got half the bolts in, and then this bolt right here wasn't lining up, and we literally could not get it on there. So pulling it back off and starting over again. All right, so we figured out what's going on with this bolt. See this here? It's a lot thicker. So this bolt just physically won't make it in to catch the thread. So Trevor's gonna go search for a longer bolt, and hopefully we can find something that will make it. All right, so we found a longer bolt and it went right in. So that was definitely what the problem was. So that's this side here. I'll tell you what, guys, stepping back and looking at it, I'm almost thinking we might need to get this in carbon too. I thought that it might blend with the tank once the tank is brushed steel, but I think it kind of looks out of place. I think we might have to do this carbon. So I'll have to talk to Manny. All right, starting on the left-hand side. I think there's 4 or 5 screws over here, and we'll get this thing uninstalled and replace it with this bad boy right here. Looking super juicy, and then we'll probably have to do the same thing, get a carbon piece for this, because it might look out of place. We'll wait and see how it looks once he's done. Look who it is! Sonny's back! Oh, and Papa Bear. Too. Yeah, nobody cares about Bear. You, right? Yeah. Sonny's got his cone of shame off. Sonny, come here, bud. Come here. Say hi to the YouTube fam. Nope, he's got stuff to do. Look at him.
No, he knows Johnny's got bacon in his pockets.
Look at him.
Oh, he's got a staff.
It's because Johnny he brought out treats for Christina to give to him. And then Christina left and went to the beach. She's like, I can't. I'm over this.
That's it?
He's way too smart.
You gotta look at the finger gun. Finger gun. Okay, ready? Watch it. Go ahead. Bang!
That's ridiculous. That's so awesome. Good boy, Sonny.
Good boy.
He's like, all that for one little thing?
Get.
That's bullshit, Dad.
Get. Wait.
He threw it up in the air.
Here. Sit.
Can he get it off his nose?
Yeah, sometimes. Eat it. Eat it. Wait.
Wow, good job, Sonny.
Jump the gun.
Can you do high
boy.
fives?
Jump the gun. Give me 5.
Yes!
All right, give me 5.
He's
Another ball.
amazing.
Wait. Go.
Wow, that's awesome. Good boy, Sonny. So there's the carbon on the left-hand side. Actually, Trevor and I were both saying it looks a lot better on this side. It matches all the black, I think, a lot better. But I'm still thinking, I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you think we should get these in carbon? Do you think we should leave them in steel and maybe it'll match the steel tank when it's done? I don't know, because I didn't want to just do all black, you know? Because also we have this steel swing arm back here too, so it kind of ties in a little bit of steel. I was going with carbon and steel. I wanted that to be the theme. Actually, I think it looks okay on this side. So, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you think we should get carbon for that piece or not. I'm kind of 50-50 about it. We'll have to wait and see. All right, up next we're doing fork sliders. Inserting fork slider. Where's Christina when you need her? Little things like this I like so much. Little touches, little Ducati bike right there. Oh, but it's gloss, guys. Do we need to sand this down? Just kidding, we're leaving that. But we will sand these down, so don't worry. All right. Let's head over to the beach. See what Christina thinks of all this. I feel like we definitely need to add some more carbon. The silver is not working out quite the way I had planned. God, I love Santa Barbara. Look at the mountains over there. This is the downtown area. The beach is right down there. Ducati shop's right next door. This bike's not super loud. It's loud when you first start it up, the cold starts, but once it warms up and stuff, listen to that. Oh yeah, oh God, yeah. Just pulled up at the beach. Look at that freaking bike. Oh my God. Let's go see what Teens is up to. Look at this, guys. This is the life right here. Santa Barbara living. Oh my gosh, Teens, that's a hell of a bikini. This just got demonetized. It was awesome. You want to come check it out?
It's getting cold.
Yeah, it is getting a little cold. But man, it's beautiful out here.
Beautiful.
This is why we moved, guys.
Are you checking out some Cancun places?
Some Cancun?
Yeah.
We need a vacay for sure. Look at this.
A vacay from our vacay.
We need a vacay because this place sucks.
Yeah.
No, the only thing that sucks about it, honestly, is the water's cold. It's like in the 50s. So it's like it's literally an ice bath. Yeah, it's literally an ice bath. Yeah, so come check this out. I think we need to make some changes. I want to get your opinion.
Really?
Yeah, come here. All right, so what do you think, Teens? The carbon down here? I'm thinking that this needs to be carbon. This, and I was gonna get the headlight in carbon. Because there's too many colors going on.
Carbon, Jaret.
I know, but it
looks
just
amazing.
Yeah, the carbon looks awesome, right?
I fixate on this.
Yeah,
Even from a distance,
that stands out way too much.
that was the
I want the
first thing I
tank.
saw.
I want the tank to be the focal point, and in order to have that, I think that those silver brush pieces need to be carbon. Don't you think?
Oh yeah.
And then this too, because there's too many different shades of silver, different silver. The tank's gonna be silver. You know, the silver back there. So I think that if we do this in carbon and this in carbon, that'll be enough.
Carbon?
Yeah. Yep.
I think that would definitely make it look a lot better.
You think so?
Because my eyes right now are too fixated on the silver when the carbon is beautiful. But
Yeah. The matte carbon looks so good, and Trevor said we can sand these down for sure and make them matte. So we'll do that in the next
that's
episode.
what I noticed too the other day. I was like, why do these not match?
Yeah, we'll sand that down and make it match, and it'll be matte finish. It'll look really good. But what do you think?
I think it looks. I love. Oh my god, I really love
The carbon?
the carbon shark gills.
Yeah, it looks so good. I wish that it came across on film better.
I know, it looks amazing in person.
It's hard to see. Yeah, everyone walked over. Carlin walked over. Trevor was like, dude, this is really cool.
Sunny
Yeah, I got Sonny doing tricks.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, he was doing tricks. Carlin shot him with a gun and he fell over and shit.
way.
Yeah, yeah.
Shoot him next
Wait
time.
until you see it, it's epic. All right, well, let's get some shots of Christina on a bikini on this bad boy. In a bikini on this.
Bikini on a bike.
I know, whatever. So yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this one, guys. Let me know your thoughts on these silver pieces and also what you think we should do with the tank. in the comment section below, and obviously I'll be chatting with the patrons about that as well. I think we're going to do the drag handlebars next, along with the click shifter. Oh, I'm so excited for that. And yeah, that's going to do it for this episode. So if you enjoyed the video and you want to see more and you want to be entered to win this bike, check out the Patreon page. Don't forget, we're also giving away that second grand prize, which is a motorcycle of your choice. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one.